Now, if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm turning this Ford Transit into a stealthy, off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere camper van, much like that one behind me. Yes, that is a camper van. It's my camper van. As you can see, it's very stealthy. Now, today I'm going to talk about the DVLA again. Now, the DVLA require you to have a window in the side of your van if you want to register it as a camper, and there are several benefits to registering your van as a camper. One of those being cheaper insurance, cheaper ferry rides, amongst other stuff. But this van hasn't got any windows, so we're going to be fitting some windows in this van today. In a sliding door, in fact. Now, there are several options open, one of them being go to the breaker's yard, get a completely different door with a window already fitted, or a salvage yard, a boneyard, a scrap yard for our American friends. Or you could fit one yourself, which is my first thought. My first thought was, I'll just cut a hole in the side, glue a window. How hard can it be? So I went on YouTube, I had a look, scanned all the videos, and quite frankly, some of those videos should be entitled How Not to Fit a Window in Your Camper Van. But I did come across one video that I agree with 100%, and that's by my old mate Greg Vigo. Now, Greg is much like myself, a man of many talents and an absolute legend when it comes to building camper vans. And if you haven't seen his channel, do check him out. He built an absolute beautiful Mercedes Sprinter, and he's currently on holiday. If you're watching, Greg, I do hope you're having a good time. Looking forward to seeing some more of your updates. Now, Greg, being a man that he is, an absolute professional, and like I say, an absolute legend, even he opted to go down the professional road, get a professional in to fit the window in his Sprinter van, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I've got a professional coming round to fit glass in my sliding door. Makes perfect sense. Stick around and I'll show you how he does it. So this is Steve from Sublime, what's the name of your company, Steve? Sublime Conversions, and he covers the whole of southeast of England. What I'll do, I'll put a link in the description of this video so you too can get in touch with this absolute professional. Now, I'm going to put my camera over on the corner there, I'm going to set it up, put it on time lapse, and you can all watch Steve do his thing. Well, that was Steve from Sublime Van Window Conversions. Unfortunately, he's had to dash off. He's got another job to go to. And I'm not surprised either. He's a professional. He's in demand. And for good reason. Look at that. What a fantastic job. Now, Steve tells me I've got to leave the tape on there for at least 24 hours. Not to drive the van for at least a couple of hours. Well, trust me, that van ain't going nowhere. And that tape is going to stay on there until at least after the weekend. I'll give it plenty of time to dry. I'm not taking any chances there. Now, the glass, as you can see, is like a nice dark tinted glass, but from inside looking out, it's surprisingly different. It's surprisingly bright. So let's go inside the van and have a look and see what it looks like from inside looking out. So from inside the van, there you go, that's what it looks like. Absolutely fantastic. And Steve has even finished it off with this lovely bit of trim all the way around, so there's no bare metal. He treated the metal as well before he put this trim on, so it's not going to go rusty. Look at that. Now from outside it's a really dark tinted window, but from inside it doesn't look tinted at all, and it doesn't cut out any light. It really has opened up this van. It's brought it to life inside. Now to open the window, it's a sliding window as well. You just simply pull this clip and slide it open. Oh, should I be doing that? The glue might still be wet. Maybe I shouldn't touch it just yet. There you go. Simple as that. Absolutely brilliant. Better than mine. I might have to call Steve back actually and get him to fit one in my van as well. Look at that. I really do like that. So anyway, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now.